Hey guys, Mallory Varner here and wrapping up an amazing show here in Fort Worth. I love being back in my home state. We had such a great time with all of you. We have the best customers and best suppliers. We had so much fun here, and thank you to all of you that took advantage of our show specials. Maybe we still have a few for you. If so, give a call to our inside sales rep and see if we have one of those great deals waiting on you. Again, thank you so much for all of you that came out and saw us. Can't wait to see you in the new year at one of our trade shows.
1, 2, 3.